Whether you're a chocolate lover or just in the mood for a sweet treat, this recipe will leave you craving more. Welcome to Lemon Cone. Today we are baking the viral double chocolate muffins from scratch. These muffins gained worldwide fame during the Olympics for their rich, chocolatey goodness. Let's create this iconic treat together. First, let's prepare the dry ingredients. Grab a bowl and sift the all-purpose flour and cocoa powder together. Sifting ensures no lumps sneak into your batter. Next, add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sift these in as well, then mix everything gently and set the bowl aside. Now, moving to the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, take 2 large eggs and add caster sugar. Now add sour cream or Greek yogurt works just as well. Along with the whole milk, unflavored vegetable oil and a splash of vanilla essence. Remember, all these ingredients should be at room temperature. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, we want a fluffy texture. Next, fold in a mix of chocolate chunks. Remember to save some chunks for the final touch. I'm using half dark and half milk chocolate for a perfect balance of sweetness and richness. Now preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Take a muffin tray and line it with cupcake liners or tulip liners for a fancy look. Using an ice cream scoop, fill each liner to the top. This batter makes 12 to 14 muffins depending on the size of your tray or cupcake case. Place the tray in the oven and bake at 425 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out with a moist crumbs. While the muffins are baking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to drop your feedback in the comments box below. Look at these beauties, glossy and rich, and the aroma absolutely divine. Let them cool completely while we prepare a luscious chocolate ganache for the filling. In a mixing bowl, add your chocolate chunks and pour in warm full cream. Let it sit for a few minutes before stirring into a silky smooth ganache. You can also use a microwave or double boiler if you prefer. Once the muffins are completely cool, use a chopstick or similar tool to poke a hole in the center of each muffin. I transfer the ganache to a piping bag for easy filling. Snip the tip of the piping bag and fill the muffins with the decadent ganache. This extra step takes these muffins to the next level. Now let's check it out. Oh, look at that chocolatey center. These muffins are pure indulgence, and now it's time for the best part, tasting. So moist, rich and chocolatey. Every bite is a dream come true. Trust me, you're going to love these muffins. Perfect for any occasions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lemon Cone. Let us know in the comments how your muffins turned out or if you added your own twist. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.